Dil Se was the first movie to be shot at Pangong. The beautiful song Satrangi Re features the lake along with other locations in Ladakh. One of the scenes is in the Thiksey Monastery, and the location is featured in this video itself. You can see the exact spot where Manisha Koirala was sitting at 28 minutes 20 seconds. Other films to feature Pangong Lake was Three Idiots, Sanam Re, Jab Tak Hai Jaan and few others. Bhag Milkha Bhag was shot at Nubra Valley, and I would say it really takes extreme fitness level to run with a tire tied to your waist in the desert, that too at a high altitude. Situated at a height of almost 4,350 meters, Pangong Lake is the world's highest saltwater lake. It is 160 km long, and almost 40% of it is with India and the rest is with Tibet. It's locally called as Pangong Tso, which means high grassland lake. The blue color of the lake comes from the blue sky above, and if it's cloudy, you won't see the lake as bluish as it is. And no, this huge lake doesn't have a single fish in it. The cotton clouds, arid mountains and blue waters is what makes Pangong a must visit. You can sit for hours near the lake and not get bored at all. The feeling you get here actually can't be expressed in words, and I would urge you to come down here whenever possible. If you want to visit Pangong Lake in a day and come back, it will take at least 12 hours from Leh or from Nubra, both. So plan your trip accordingly. It's best to stay at Pangong for a night and then travel back so that you get more time to spend at the lake. And while going back, Dubruk is a junction where you take a left for Leh and right for Nubra Valley. On the way to Leh, before reaching the Changla Pass, there's a place called Soltak where boating happens. You can give it a try if you like boating. The road to and from Changla Pass on the top is a mud road, and hence is very bad, and with occasional streams of water it becomes more hard to drive on it. So if possible, avoid driving to Pangong Lake from Leh and coming back on the same day. Either stay at Pangong or drive to Nubra Valley. Changla is one of the highest mountain passes in Ladakh and is also claimed to be the third highest mountain pass in the world. Changla, Warila and Khardungla are all parallel on the map, and it lies in the Ladakh mountain range. We're heading back to Leh for the last night in Ladakh. Don't forget to visit the Leh market, which I couldn't show in this video. It's like a hangout place for almost all the tourists coming here. Ladakh is a very different place than the majority of India, and you will really be enchanted by it. The people here are friendly and helpful. I'm not a mountain person, but I was amazed by this place, and it feels like something has changed in me forever. This is a view from the plain above Ladakh as we bid goodbye to the mighty mountains. This trip was made possible by Countryside Adventure Holidays, Mumbai. I have put a link to their website below if someone is planning to go to Ladakh post the lockdown. Some important tips. Apart from your winter wear, please do carry a lip balm, sunglass, something to cover your mouth, nose and ears, a cap, hat or a hoodie. These are very important when in Ladakh. At some places it gets very windy and hence a hoodie makes you comfortable. Portable oxygen cans are available at the Leh airport at 399 rupees per can. You can also ask your hotel guys to arrange for oxygen cylinder to be kept in your taxi as a backup, obviously with an extra charge. Permits can be taken online nowadays or can also be taken after reaching Ladakh. A travel agent takes care of both these aspects. Now, for those who drink alcohol, there are only few bars and pubs in Leh. If you want to buy alcohol, the liquor shop is at the Leh market, and I guess that's the only shop in the whole of Leh.
We are delighted to announce the introduction of flight to Dubai and Bangkok, as well as additional flight to Muscat and Abu Dhabi to make your travel more comfortable. For more details and special offers, please log in to our website www.goair.in. We look forward to welcome you on board our flight. Once again, thank you for choosing to fly with Goair.
Thank you.